Imagine pulling into the world's most exclusive seaside destination, surrounded by luxury yachts, private villas, and five-star resorts, but then everyone stops and looks at you because the most impressive luxury property has arrived on wheels. This is not just an RV. This is a handcrafted rolling mansion that brings the elegance of a luxury wooden villa together with the power of a next-generation Motorhome. Welcome back to St. Reviews Hub, where we explore the most incredible, futuristic, and luxurious vehicles from around the world. Today, we are taking a closer look at a custom two-story wooden luxury motorhome that completely changes the meaning of traveling in style. This extraordinary machine combines architectural beauty, premium craftsmanship, and advanced automotive engineering into one unbelievable home on wheels. Before we step inside this masterpiece, there is one hidden feature on the upper level that makes this motorhome unlike anything else on the road. A feature that transforms your travel experience and creates your own private outdoor paradise. We will reveal that incredible design shortly. For decades, luxury motorhomes were mostly built around aluminum frames, fiberglass bodies, and traditional RV designs. But this creation takes a completely different approach. Instead of hiding behind ordinary materials, it embraces natural beauty, handcrafted wood, and the feeling of a premium mountain lodge traveling anywhere you want. When this massive motorhome rolls down the highway, it instantly becomes the center of attention. People stop, cameras come out, and everyone wants to know what kind of vehicle they are seeing. It has the warmth of a luxury wooden chalet, combined with the strength of a heavy-duty expedition vehicle. The exterior design immediately shows its premium personality. The entire body features beautifully finished weather-resistant hardwood panels, carefully treated to survive different climates, while maintaining its rich natural appearance. Every wooden detail gives this motorhome a unique identity that separates it from typical RVs. The long horizontal wood design creates a smooth and elegant appearance, while the aerodynamic front section helps manage airflow around this massive structure. Modern LED lighting is integrated perfectly into the wooden exterior, creating a warm and welcoming glow during nighttime adventures. Large panoramic double-glazed windows cover both floors, giving passengers incredible views of beaches, mountains, forests, and open landscapes, while keeping the interior private and comfortable. Now stepping inside this luxury motorhome feels like entering a five-star private residence. The lower level welcomes you with beautiful natural wood finishes, premium leather seating, and handcrafted details everywhere you look. The living area features a spacious lounge setup designed for relaxation during long journeys. High-end materials, elegant lighting, and smart technology create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional camper. The gourmet kitchen is another highlight, featuring premium countertops, modern appliances, and plenty of storage space. Whether you are preparing a quick meal during an adventure or hosting guests inside your moving home, this kitchen provides everything needed for comfortable living. The driver cockpit blends advanced technology with classic luxury design. Digital displays and modern controls are carefully hidden behind custom wooden panels, keeping the cabin feeling warm and residential instead of looking like a typical commercial vehicle. A beautiful handcrafted spiral staircase connects the lower floor to the upper level, leading to the private master suite. Upstairs, the bedroom feels like a luxury hotel room on wheels. A large king-size bed sits beneath a massive skylight, allowing you to watch the stars while enjoying complete comfort. Smart home technology is built throughout the motorhome, allowing owners to control lighting, climate settings, window shades, and entertainment systems with simple touch controls. But a luxury home this large needs serious engineering underneath. Hidden beneath the stunning wooden exterior is a powerful heavy-duty diesel platform designed to handle the weight and size of this incredible machine. The advanced powertrain delivers massive torque, allowing this motorhome to confidently climb steep roads, travel through challenging environments, and maintain smooth performance even while carrying a full luxury interior. The driving experience is surprisingly comfortable thanks to an advanced air suspension system that reduces road vibrations and keeps the living space stable. Every journey feels smooth, quiet, and relaxing. Even on longer adventures, energy efficiency is also a major focus. A large rooftop solar system helps power many of the interior features, reducing dependence on the main engine and allowing owners to enjoy longer off-grid adventures. Safety technology includes advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree cameras, radar monitoring, and blind spot protection, giving the driver better control on navigating this massive luxury motorhome. Now let's talk about the feature that truly makes this vehicle legendary. With the push of a button, the upper rear section transforms into a private outdoor balcony. The second floor extends outward on heavy-duty tracks, revealing a hidden observation deck with elegant wooden railings and comfortable seating. Imagine sitting high above the ground, enjoying ocean views, mountain landscapes, or a beautiful sunset from your own private balcony. This is not just camping anymore. This is a luxury experience that follows you wherever the road takes you. Of course, owning a custom 2-story wooden motorhome comes with responsibilities. Because of its size, height, and unique construction, owners must carefully plan routes and pay attention to bridge heights, narrow roads, and low-hanging obstacles. This type of vehicle is designed for people who want something completely different. It is not just transportation. It is a personal sanctuary that allows you to explore the world without sacrificing the comfort of home. This luxury wooden motorhome represents freedom, creativity, and the future of premium travel. It proves that adventure and luxury do not have to be separate. You can have the beauty of nature outside your window while enjoying the comfort of a 5-star residence inside. Every journey becomes a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Every destination becomes your private resort, and every night under the stars becomes a memory created inside your own moving luxury villa. So, what do you think about this incredible 2-story wooden motorhome? Would you choose this rolling mansion for your dream adventure, or do you think a traditional luxury RV still the better option? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Saint Reviews Hub. If you enjoy exploring this incredible machine, make sure to subscribe for more futuristic motorhomes, luxury vehicles, and the most amazing designs from around the world.